How to delete the project in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and go to the project section where all your saved projects are displayed. Next, locate the project you want to delete. Tap on the three dots to open the project options menu. From the available options, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the project. Tap Yes to permanently remove the project from Filmmaker Pro. Once deleted, the project cannot be recovered. So make sure you no longer need it before confirming. Deleting old or unused projects helps keep your app organized and frees up storage space on your device. Now you know how to delete the project in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.